Hi YouTube, hi everyone. I just wanted to share something with you that I've just made a few days ago. So my mini fridge, as you can see there, broke. So it only warms the food. It doesn't cool the milk or margarine anymore. That setting's broken. So I've turned it into DIY cooler and DIY defrosting area, because I do use my chest freezer. And now this, instead of throwing it away because it was like £80, I've turned it off and everything, and then I've laid it down on its side. The feet are just there, and look, I've turned it into this. So I did have a leakage, so I've got a towel there to collect the leakage. And I've got my milk in here, frozen porridge, frozen something else, and ice cubes, but they've melted now because they were there from like last night, but I will sort them out. So the defrosting station, milk, and I did have hummus there before, but it's been eaten, so milk for my tea and stuff. So, and then just a towel, hand towel to collect up the, the seepage when the ice melts and stuff. And then it has to collect in there, or to soak it up, just a hand towel. And I'm gonna buy some ice cubes from Tesco's and just pop them in there and there, or just make my own using these plastic boxes. Yeah, so it's just a good idea instead of throwing away your £80 mini fridge. Or you could have it fixed, I suppose, but I just don't have the money right now to have it fixed. So give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. The other day I was looking for a cooling box, and I thought, instead of buying one for £20 from Amazon, I'll just make my own. So I've got this. And when I wanted to share something else, one second.